Introducing the epitome of modern elegance and sophistication, the Cascade 36 Bathroom Vanity in black. Designed to captivate with its sleek lines and luxurious features, this exquisite piece is a true masterpiece of contemporary design. Crafted with meticulous attention to detail, the Cascade Vanity seamlessly blends functionality and style, elevating your bathroom to new heights of beauty. Let's dive into the details of this beautiful vanity. The stylish design and raised front paneling on the Cascade Bathroom Vanity make it the perfect finishing piece to any bathroom. The open back allows for easy plumbing access, while the two slow-closing doors provide an ease of use. This piece includes a middle sliding drawer that provides extra storage space. Designed for freestanding installation, this vanity brings a touch of elegance to your bathroom space. While assembly is required, the end result is well worth it. Equipped with two doors featuring soft, slow-closing hinges, the Cascade Vanity ensures a seamless and quiet operation, adding a touch of luxury to your everyday routine. Additionally, a convenient drawer provides extra storage space for your bathroom essentials, keeping them within easy reach. The open-back design of the vanity allows for effortless plumbing access, making installation and maintenance hassle-free. You can enjoy peace of mind knowing that any plumbing issues can be addressed with ease. Completing the ensemble is the ceramic vanity top, featuring a single basin and an overflow. This high-quality and durable material not only adds a touch of sophistication, but also ensures easy cleaning and maintenance. Thanks for watching. If you would like to learn more, click on the link below.